there, it's Farida Shaira with another SIIWII Fashion News Digest. And if you are new here, SIIWII Fashion News Digest is brought to you by SIIWII, the global apparel B2B network and marketplace. Today, we're going to be talking about a major trend in the fashion supply chain industry, and that is the shift away from manufacturers that are in China and shifting to elsewhere in order to manufacture. As you may know, China has been the go-to fashion manufacturing hub for fashion brands all over the world. However, this trend is shifting and many fashion brands are looking for an alternative than China. Nearly 80% of fashion executives in the US planning to reduce their reliance on China in the next coming few years. Well, this trend is happening because of a bunch of reasons. First of all is rising tariff. The US government has made importing into the US from China much more expensive than it was before. Also, labor costs in China has been steadily rising. And also the forced labor situation in China also brings concern to the US. Of course, the geopolitical tension that's happening between the US and China. It is not the smartest idea to rely on one sourcing hub because during the pandemic, many factories closed down and it just disrupted the whole supply chain. But if they're not going to source from China, then where are they going instead? One manufacturing hub that has become increasingly popular throughout the past couple of years is Vietnam. And that is because actually China has already invested money in building management structures for manufacturing there in Vietnam. In addition, Vietnam has invested heavily in education, infrastructure, and expanding its container traffic. So other go-to destinations are Mexico, Guatemala, and Nicaragua because they are quite near the United States. So why is this trend not moving as quick as it should? Well, that's because many fashion brands are finding it very difficult to pull out of China because China is a very strong manufacturing hub and it is known for its manufacturing capability. And also, China is very cost effective. So many fashion brands are moving their manufacturing out of China and then they saw that it's more cost effective and then they move back to China because it's better cost-wise. So let us know what you think about this fashion supply chain trend happening. That's all that we have for today. Stay tuned for the next fashion news